Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two cryptocurrency apps. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Bybit and Bitfinex is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Trading platforms. Both exchanges offer robust trading platforms equipped with advanced features. Bybit, known for its user-friendly interface and powerful trading tools. It supports perpetual contracts and futures trading with up to 100x leverage. Bitfinex offers a comprehensive trading platform with support for spot trading, margin trading, and lending. Supported cryptocurrencies. The variety of supported cryptocurrencies is crucial for traders looking to diversify their portfolios. Bybit focuses on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and EOS. Bitfinex provides a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and many altcoins. Security measures. Robust security is vital for safeguarding assets on cryptocurrency exchanges. Bybit implements stringent security measures, including cold storage of funds, multi-signature wallets, and two-factor authentication. Bitfinex employs advanced security features such as multi-signature wallets, two-factor authentication, and withdrawal protection. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Bybit offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and social media channels. Bitfinex provides customer support through email, support tickets, and a comprehensive help center. Mobile experience. A robust mobile app is crucial for trading on the go. Bybit, the mobile app mirrors the desktop platform's functionality, offering real-time data, advanced charting, and easy trade execution. Bitfinex, the mobile app provides a full suite of trading features, including advanced charting tools, order types, and account management. Leverage. Leverage is important for traders looking to maximize their potential returns. Bybit, known for its high leverage options, offering up to 100x leverage on perpetual contracts. Bitfinex provides margin trading with up to 10x leverage. Regulation and compliance. Compliance with regulatory standards is important for ensuring the legitimacy and security of the exchange. Bybit focuses on compliance with international standards as it does not require KYC for basic accounts, but higher limits and features require verification. Bitfinex requires KYC verification for most account activities, ensuring a higher level of security and compliance. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Bybit appeals to experienced traders and those interested in high leverage trading. Bitfinex targets a broader audience, including individual traders, institutions, and professional investors. Conclusion. Both Bybit and Bitfinex offer unique features tailored to different trading needs. Bybit is ideal for high leverage traders and those seeking a user-friendly platform with advanced trading tools. Bitfinex, with its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features, and strong security measures, appeals to both individual and institutional traders. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.